Nebula App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get this wrong, but streaming isn't just about quantity, it's about quality. Nebula takes a different approach, and that's why it stands out in 2025. Nebula is a creator-owned streaming platform featuring educational and thoughtful content from independent creators. It focuses on documentaries, explainers, and exclusive series you won't find elsewhere. One major pro is depth. Videos are ad-free and often longer, allowing creators to explore topics fully. The surprising truth is that many Nebula shows exist because creators aren't constrained by algorithms. Another advantage is ethical support. Subscriptions directly support creators instead of advertisers, which appeals to viewers who value independence. However, you won't believe what happens next if you expect mainstream entertainment. Nebula is niche. There are no blockbuster movies or reality shows, and the library is smaller than major platforms. In conclusion, Nebula is perfect for curious minds who want meaningful content. If you enjoy learning and supporting creators directly, Nebula is absolutely worth it in 2025.